Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to set up my payment method in Google AdSense. As I've promised us that on this street of YouTube I'm going to do all the process step by step, and I'm going to record all of them step by step so that it can be able to help somebody that needs such process. That is what I am trying to do. And today we are going to set up the payment because I've seen a place where to set up the payment. If you watch my last video, there's still not a place in my last video, but right now there is a place to set the payment up. So we are going to set it up together. So without wasting much of the time, let's get right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. There's some points that I want us to take note before we start the setup of the payment in our Google AdSense account. The first thing is make sure that your bank is registered in the same country that your AdSense is registered. That is number one. Number two is make sure that your bank can receive international funds, maybe international money. That one also is very, very important. And number three is make sure you have your BIC, or they call it shift code. Make sure you have those information at your hand before you can now start importing them in your Google AdSense account to be able to set up your payment. So let's dive right into it. So now you can see I am in my Google AdSense account, and then you can see that my total payment now in my Google AdSense account is this amount, and then it is different from the one in YouTube analysis because they will tell you that your balance is updated once a month. This one is for last month and the other month, and then you can see they said if you want to check the full total amount of your money, you need to go to YouTube analytics, and that is not what we are here to do today. We want to set up our payment method. So you go to this payment here, you click on payment. Once you click on payment, click on payment info. So once you click on payment info, once you click on your payment info, this is the place that is going to bring you to. You can see 46% to meet the payment threshold before you can get paid. You must meet this 70 euro before you can get paid. And these are all the transaction in this account. And what we are going to do, we are coming here to click on add payment method. So once you add payment method, as you know, I said that you must make sure that your bank and your Google AdSense is registered in the same country. That is why you can see your country will be put here, which means where you are living, and your bank is where you are living as well. And you can see my bank is in France. That's why they put bank here. It must be here. Okay. Then the name of the bank, you write the name of the bank here, and you are going to go and copy your IBAN number. Okay. So let me copy my IBAN number. So IBAN number, I have to type it there because I tried to copy to paste, but it's not allowing me. Let me try one more time. Copy and paste. If not, it means that you cannot copy and paste. You need to type it one by one. No. So you have to type it. So it is not possible to copy and paste. So I have to type it one by one. So what is an IBAN? An IBAN is an international bank account number. It's a unique identification code for a particular bank. That means every bank has the unique identification code. What it look like, it's made up to 2 letters, which is the name of the country. You can see FR. Okay, it's made up of 2 letters, and which made up of 2 country code, two letter country code. Okay, France is France, and FR start the beginning of France, and up to 30 numeric character. How to find it? Check your bank statement or ask your bank for your IBAN. What is it for? IBAN are used to identify bank accounts internationally. That is why it is very important. And the next thing you are going to type in is your Swift BIC. So what is Swift BIC? Swift BIC, often called BIC, and it is a 8 or 11 character identification code for a particular bank. What it look like, your bank Swift BIC may be printed at the top of your bank statement or contact your bank to get. And what is it? The usefulness of Swift also. Bank use this when they transfer money or send a message to another bank. So that is why it is very important for the bank of YouTube to be able to communicate with your home primary bank as well. So that is why it is very, very important. So once we have set up all this, we have put everything that we need to put, the next thing that we are going to click on this save. It said verify your bank account. Google should deposit less than $1 into your bank account within 3 business days. It said 2, go to the payment method page and enter the exact amount of the deposit that you received. So this is what we are going to do. So I will wait until after 3 days before I post this video, because I have to do the concluded part. I'll click on got it now. So, and you can see here it said verification pending. So as you can see that the verification is still pending, and then after 3 days I will come back again to check and now let you know how much that YouTube sent into my bank account. To be able to check, they have to check whether the bank account is functioning. That's why they need to deposit that money in your bank account. And don't forget, make sure that your bank is registered in the same country that you are running your YouTube account. That is number 1. Number 2, make sure that your name that you have in your bank account is the same, because there is no place for you to check whether the name, it must be the same. Number 3, make sure that you have already copied your IBAN number, and you should see that the IBAN number you cannot copy and paste. You have to type it out. So check the number very well, don't make any mistake. And then your Swift BIC also, you are going to type it also, you cannot copy and paste it. So that is it, and then I'll come back once the money is deposited in my account to complete this video. So see you soon. And now I just checked my bank account, and then Google has sent me money. So that is what I wanted to show us and continue with my Google AdSense payment method that we are setting up. So let's go into my bank account. You see, so I'm coming in. So you can see this is the amount that they paid me, is 0.83 cents. 83 cents, we call it here. So I'm going into my Google AdSense now. Then we can input this amount, and you can see their name, Google Island Limited. Okay, so they said they send me money, so I'm going there to check it now. Let's go there. So now we are in my AdSense account, and it said action, there is something to check in your AdSense for YouTube account. Go to payment. So we can either go to payment here or you go to payment here. So when I click payment here, I go to payment info, and then I will be here, and then I will be here. So you can see that you haven't completed your verification process for this, and then they said verified now. So I will click on this verified now. So they said I should select the amount that I should select the amount that they sent to my account. So I'm going to go and look for it. They sent is 0.83 cents. So this is the amount that we check, and then we click on verify. And I said your bank account is verified. As you can see, got it. So my bank account has been verified. As you can see here, the pending is not there anymore again. And that brings us to the end of how you can verify your payment method in Google AdSense. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, also like and comment below. Okay, and then I will see you in my next video. My name is Gani, and this is Grow with Gani. Always I love you guys. See you, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.